In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a voiceover to your InVideo project. If you're adding narration to your video, this is one of the cleanest ways to bring clarity and personality to your content. I'll walk you through each action on screen and share a few tips so your audio lands exactly where you want it. First, log into InVideo using your account. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will help everything load smoothly. Once you're in, give the page a moment to pull in your assets. If you're working with larger projects, that extra second helps prevent hiccups while you move to the editor. Next, select your project. On your dashboard, choose the video you want to enhance with a voiceover. If you have several projects with similar names, a quick glance at the thumbnail and duration can help confirm you've got the right one. When the editor opens, let the preview load completely so the controls respond instantly. At the bottom of the preview window, look for the voiceover option and click it. This is the dedicated place to manage spoken audio. You'll see options that focus specifically on narration, which keeps it separate from background music and other sound effects. Using the voiceover area helps InVideo place your narration in a way that is easy to reference against your visuals. Now click on Upload. This opens your system's file picker where you can choose the audio file you prepared earlier. Common formats like MP3 and WAV are widely supported and generally work best. For a clean result, use a file that's already edited for noise and pauses, ideally at 44.1 or 48 kHz. Clear file names such as project name VO final, make it easier to keep track of the correct version. Finally, upload your voiceover. You'll see a progress indicator as the file transfers. Larger files may take a moment, so keep the browser tab open while it finishes. When the upload completes, InVideo places your narration in the voiceover track so you can hear it play with your visuals. If the audio sounds too quiet or loud, note the level you hear now. Matching your source levels to a consistent volume before uploading usually produces the most reliable results and prevents clipping or distortion later. And that's it. You logged in, selected your project, clicked the voiceover control at the bottom of the preview, chose upload, and brought in your voiceover file. With your narration now added, you're set to continue refining your project with confidence.